In the course, I set up this estimated reading time, but I put it in there as only text. You'll notice on my website I have this cool little eye icon. So I'm going to help you put that in there if you want that. So I'm going to go ahead and add that into my website. That uses an icon from Font Awesome, and it's pretty easy to add in there. And it also gives you access to any of these icons on the Font Awesome library. So you can choose any of these, and if you click on it, it'll give you this easy little code that you can paste in any blog post, on any page, anywhere. I use that on my website on the contact page also. I use that to set up these little icons for email, LinkedIn. So in order to do that, I just need to head over to my admin dashboard. If you install the WP Zoom theme, they give you an easy way if you go to WP Zoom theme options. And then if you go into miscellaneous and custom code, they give you this nice little header code section where you can paste the code. And I have that code convenient right here. So I'm going to copy that and paste it in my header. And I'll go ahead and save those changes. Now if you don't have a WP Zoom theme, it's still fairly easy to do, just not quite as easy. You just need to go to Appearance and then Editor. And then in the header file, you just need to look for this end header tag. And then you can hit enter here and paste that code right there. And then update the file. But since I added it in the WP Zoom section, I'm going to remove that. Since I'm already here in Appearance Editor, I need to find the single post page. Now you'll see there's a single post, but this one's for the portfolio, so watch out for that. You want to make sure you just get the single post.php file. So once that loads, you need to find that estimated reading time code. So that's right here. And I want to add that I right at the beginning here. And you'll see on the Font Awesome page that it gives me some code to use. So I can copy that and head over here to my dashboard and paste that there. Now I've done a little bit more to this because I want some more formatting of that I. So I have some added code here. I went ahead and added some style into it, so I'm going to copy that and then I'll just paste that style in there. So I added some padding on the right so it wasn't hitting the text. I wanted that same space that I have on my website. I also wanted the I to be a little bit bigger, so I changed the font size to 1.25 ems. You can play with that and change the size if you like. I would go in 0.25 increments. 0.5 grows quite a bit pretty quickly. I also added this vertical align middle style. Now that's good if your font size, if you set that too big and you want the text to align to the center of that I. Mine's not too big though, so I'm going to remove that from here. And then I'll go ahead and update the file. So now if I go to my post and refresh it, you'll see I have the I, and it looks pretty good. It's got that little space in there. So it's kind of a cool visual representation, that draws the attention to that item. And again, you can do cool things like on the contacts page, put these little icons in here. And you can use any of them in this library, and it's huge. I would just use Command F or Control F to find what you want on this page. And that's it. You now have the estimated reading time eyeball.